As we are talking of misunderstandings, don't misunderstand. I am just making you aware that what's happening all around, how we are going, how we are living our life, everyday life. It's not only particularly meant on you, but take it very personal. If it can change you, if it can make you aware, take it personal and try to joke on yourself. Gautam Buddha told, be a light on yourself. Now when I say be a light on yourself, you can have misunderstandings. You may ask, what will we do with the light? Light our cigarettes? Light our cigars? Or put fire on someone's house? What are we going to do? But I say to you, be a joke onto yourself. Now when you are having a joke on yourself, at least nothing can be misunderstood. If you misunderstand, also that will be joke. And that's fact. When you observe your life minutely, from little bit of top, like you have put me now on top to find more jokes. If you observe also yourself just one step higher than you are living, you will see, when you will understand, you will laugh at it, the life you are leading, the problems you are suffering, you will laugh at. Once a man, a rich man, a bourgeois, he had everything in terms of money. Very good cars, very good house, very good wife, children, all well settled. Having everything in the life, suddenly, some days, he found out that something was not right with his body. He was seeing black spots. No matter if he closed his eyes, he opened his eyes, there were black spots visible. He went to normal physician and asked him, I am having this and that kind of thing. The physician brought some test. Nothing was there. But he told the rich man, it seems quite serious. I would consult that you should go to neurophysician. He might know what's going on. He went to neurophysician. Neurophysician checked all, seeing everything, watching everything. Neurophysician could not find anything. But he told, it's my experience. Previously, I have seen 1 or 2 cases like that. They visited me and they did not live more than 1 month. So your death is very near. You might die in 1 month. I am telling you it from my experience. That man, now knowing he is going to die in 1 month, wanted to enjoy his life fullest. Everything he wanted to do, what he wanted to do, what he wanted to wear. He wanted to wear the expensive suits which he was thinking he should have more. He went to a very famous tailor. Schneider. And famous tailor, it means very expensive one. And more the expensive, even they suggest themselves. You go there with some wish, I want to wear this and that, but they will suggest you, not actually this, you take this and that. Maybe you went there to buy a tie and you are coming back with full suit. That's why they are famous. So he went to a famous tailor. This famous tailor took all his measurements. And that man told, 10 of Italian suit, 10 of Irish suits I need, silk cotton shirts, hand-stitched ties, 50 of hand-stitched tie. "30 days, but 50 tie." Because you never know when you open your that is a joke itself that you never to be surprised is a joke. If you are already assuming something, that is not a joke. But you never know when you open your wardrobe, what will fit. Women, they say usually, the man has only 1 or 2 colors, this is not a big thing to do. But see me, yellow shoes, yellow turban, you have to match. It's good to match. So who knows? Maybe this "30 days, even 50 ties would get less. 50 tie, hand-stitched tie, silk cotton shirts of neck 14. The tailor told, not 14, 15, neck 15. He told, no, I had wearing suits my whole life. I know I have a neck of 14. Tailor told, it's not possible, you have a neck of 15. And if you go on wearing this neck 14, you must be seeing black spots. whole puzzle was solved. This is how I see you. And it is how you should find out yourself what you are doing, how you are suffering. Nothing to offend. A simple understanding is needed.